now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphone.
What's up, YouTube? Mark Cakes coming at you with another video. I didn't know if I was gonna make this, but might as well. What they won't tell you about this little Obsidian UNC Jordan 1 is that this colorway. Well, first let's get this straight. Back when that Jordan 1 UNC dropped, that shoe was fire. Like the patent leather material around it and just the color of the shoe was truly UNC. This has obviously Obsidian, so it's kind of that darker blue mixed with the UNC blue. For me, it doesn't really do it for me. If you guys remember, I'm really all over the place with these sneaker boxes. As you can see, I got some of the black boxes. Yeah, so I got some of the black boxes over the top and then just the clear drop front boxes. I don't have a full collection of boxes. Matter of fact, let me just show you. So, like, I have this little shoe stand. These are like all my just daily put them on, walk around, whatever. Then I got the actual my shoes in some of these drop front boxes, and then I still have some of the Walmart container boxes that, yeah, and then I just have shoes that who knows what's going on over there. But I haven't done an updated sneaker collection video in forever, so you just have to let me know. But if you remember, God, these are dirty. I haven't worn these in years. But Obsidian 12s, this was kind of the same feel. You got the kind of Carolina lighter blue on some parts of the shoe. If it wants to focus at any point. Oh, it's not gonna want to focus. Technical difficulties. But like I said, the Jordan Retro 12 Obsidian, this had lighter Carolina blue on the back and kind of the front. So it's kind of that same feel with this. It's lighter, and then you got the Obsidian color, the darker color. So that's not what they won't tell you, but it's the exact same as this. People just gonna hype it because it's a Jordan 1. And yeah, I got a couple size 8.5s coming, and they're selling for like 400 bucks now. So who knows what's going on. It's Jordan 1s. I just wanted to give you guys an updated look. Materials on this shoe are really nice. People dragging it though, like they always do with Jordan 1s, but whatever. Stay tuned, hit me up. Oh, I'm gonna need 150, no, not even that. I'm gonna need 200 likes, and I will give you guys an updated look of the sneaker collection and kind of just tell you my mindset and everything involving sneakers. But yeah, 200 likes and we will get that done for you guys. But for now, I don't know. If anybody wants an 8.5, hit me up.